Folks, today we're going to talk about high probability winners with top gambling stocks. What else? 2020 has been a very surprising year. After all, who would have thought that in January of this year that COVID-19 would be the driving force of the economy or that Biden would win the election? Both were long shots. But here we are. One big surprise of 2020, however, is gambling stocks have been doing quite well, even though initially many investors and analysts believed that gambling stocks would meet the same fate as airline stocks. That hasn't exactly panned out. While the pandemic is driving significant short-term pressure, investors also see long-term opportunities. State governments, battered by the pandemic, need to find new source of revenue. That in turn suggests accelerated legalization of sports betting and online gambling. Indeed, the wins on election day supporting the optimism behind the sector heading into the election. Today, I want to talk about a few gaming stocks that I see trading higher over the next few months and possibly the next few quarters, especially if online gambling continues to expand at the current rate and fear from COVID-19 begins to lessen in the coming months, especially with the vaccine on the horizon. First stock, this is an over-the-counter stock, Flutter Entertainment, ticker symbol PDYPY. Again, over-the-counter stocks, no options. Flutter Entertainment is involved in bookmaking business. Its brand's portfolio consists of Betfair, Paddy Power, Sportsbet, TVG, and FanDuel. Oh yeah, it's like that. Flutter Entertainment, formerly known as Paddy Power Betfair, is based in Ireland. Flutter has lagged DraftKings in daily fantasy, but often led it in the most profitable sports betting and iGaming verticals. Flutter also has a sizable and profitable business in more mature European market. Its Paddy Power brand might be the continent's best, and recently acquired PokerStars dominates that market worldwide. 1 year return, 67.95%. The stock remains a strong momentum play, and I believe regardless of the direction of the economy, Flutter will continue to grow at an exponential rate due to its size, especially in light of its competition or lag thereof. Next one, DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG, and we've talked about this stock before. DraftKings is an American daily fantasy sports contest, and sports betting operator. The company allows users to enter daily and weekly fantasy sports related to contests with money based on individual player performance in 5 major American sports: MLB, NHL, NFL, NBA, and PGA. Premier League and UEFA Champion League Soccer, NASCAR Auto Racing, Canadian Football League, the XFL, and Mixed Martial Arts, MMA, and tennis. Wow, they're in everything. The company seems likely to be the number 1 or number 2 operator in most, if not all, of the markets, thanks to a massive daily fantasy sports user base and first mover advantage, which is a big factor in many key states. Sports betting is growing. Folks, there's $330 billion in annual U.S. wagering. I'm estimating that online betting space is roughly $20 billion at this point in time. That's a lot of annual dollars, and that number is quickly increasing. The stock has a 1-year return of 298% and is currently experiencing a price pullback from $65 per share to roughly $40 per share. And I'm expecting momentum to pick back up, since the company doesn't have much competition at this point in time, and I believe price will resume its upside momentum in the near term. And I hope that helps. Folks, you have got to check this out. Adam Sarhan is finally letting folks join his Alpha Line system. I'm excited. It's a group of special stocks that only a select few even know about, all with the potential to earn triple-digit gains in as little as 24 hours. Man, that's so good. In fact, Adam has already found another stock on the move, and he says it could return as much as 9 times your money in the coming days. Can you imagine making 900% on your money? I love that. Ready to see its ticker? Click on the link below. Get all the details. Do it now.